Buenos dias, YouTube. Thanks for joining. Whether you're watching us live or on a rebroadcast, going to fast forward to the bell about 10 minutes from now. And we'll see you at the opening bell, you dig? We're going to go through the markup. Buenos dias, Zoom. We got some folks in the trade cave today. That's what I'm talking about. Got Mr. Zayden. I'm not Mr. Zayden. Mr. Zayden's on the Zoom. We have Mr. Caden. We got Zayden, Caden, and Jaden on the sides. Boy, three amigos up in there. Got Mr. Raul in the trade cave. And Mr. Sweeper, the one and only. Mr. Sweeper in the house. All right, let's go to them charts. Shall we? All right. The time is 8:23 on your clock. Bro, what is going on with Nazi? Sheesh. I want to go to the map. Go into that beautiful map. I want to see what's going on with this beautiful map. We made a push down here. Look at that. And we have previous month. Well, what is that? Not previous month. It is November low. We made a pretty decent retracement down from this deal right here. So I'm gonna go to 4 hour. I'm gonna see 4 hour. Nope, that's 12 hour. 4 hour flat bottoms from November low. Boom. To, what is this? January 27 high. Beautiful 886 touch and push up. All right. We could retrace down to that 786 again, get double bottoms. We'll see. What else? That's the map outlook. We'll see what happens with that map. What happened overnight? That's what I want to know. I don't care about November. What happened overnight? Ooh, beautiful push up. Let's open up that chart. Oh, let me share this YouTube page, y'all. Come on, man. Share it, share it, share it. We're promoters. We're promoters on Friday for sure. There we go. Share this YouTube page. All right. Hey, if you're watching on YouTube, buenos dias. Sure, I'm glad you're hanging out with us. Right. So we saw a low here. I want to do a couple things. I want to do overnight low. You call it Asian low. I call it overnight. Same thing. When I was asleep low, let's call it that. Then we have overnight high. Boom! Right there. Ooh. Then we have this beautiful trendy. From the low, overnight low. Looks like 2 a.m. low. So we got a couple of caterpillar moves. We could come and touch that. We get a 5-minute candle break beneath that trendy. Yeah, we coming to this wick fill. All right. Let me just double check this wick fill. Okay. Am I interested in that wick fill anymore? Yes. But it's actually this guy. Man, we plowed through these weekly lows. Look at that. Shh. Anyway, we'll see what happens. On Friday, we typically see a what? Rally. We'll see if price wants to rally. Oh, man. So that's a beautiful trend line break. Let's go to 1 hour so we can see a little clearer. Yeah, buddy. That's a beautiful trend line break. I would say February 3rd. February 3rd high. To February 5th. Little push up rejection. So overnight we break this trendy. Now we're kind of very peculiar. Still got a 786 sitting up there. So we still could come and touch that at the top. All right, what else? Oh yeah, 4 hour arrows. Let's see what 4 hour arrows I'm talking about. Yep. So from, what is this? February 5th, flat tops. February 5th, flat tops to Thursday low. Still got a 786 up there. We can see if price wants to come and touch it. Very peculiar place. We still have yet to tap into the 786 retracement. So we could go bullish. We could also retrace to this trendy. All right. There's a case for both sides. You see it? VWAP. Bro, no trade zone. Blech. But notice how overnight we came and touched 4 hour support S3 to the decimal. Psh, up. Now we're kind of hanging out at the bottom of the weekly wick field. There's a lot of lines going on. Let's turn some of them off. There we go. Yearly VWAPs. We could come retest this yearly VWAP, push up potentially, or push up straight to this yearly VWAP. Oh, 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to the 8:30 bell. We'll take it one trade at a time. Buenos dias. I see Saraya on the Zoom. Hey, if you're watching on YouTube and you want to get into this group, we go live on Zoom pretty much every day. Drop me a comment, drop me a DM. Let's get you in there. Let's get started. Are you trying to learn how to trade? Hit us up. We got a masterclass for you. We got a private group for you. We got some tools that we use. We want to make them available to you. All right, let's go. Simple, easy, $3 a day. Ain't nothing to it. Get ready to say that. $3 a day is going to change your life. $3 a day is going to change your life. $3 a day is going to change your life. I'm not even trying to sell it. I just know it works. What works the best? Being around people who are better than you. I'm around people who are way better than me. All right, 10 seconds till the bell. Are you ready for the bell? Somebody say yeah. Are you ready for the bell? Somebody say yeah. All right. Somebody said yeah. Dang. Bearish moves. Make sure you're on the right lot size. Make sure you're on the right chart. Make sure you're doing everything you're supposed to do to risk proper, people. I don't want to see no NQ up here. Bunch of maniacs. All right. Let's turn on consolidation zones and the bandit. That beautiful bandit's been working out for me, man. Sheesh. Like it. All right. Price is looking pretty volatile. This range looks like about 40-point range. 40-point range. We're at the top of the 12-hour range. Hold on. Where's Shannon? Making all that noise. God dang. All right. 3, 2, 1. There's the first candle. I'm looking for some continuation down. What y'all think? What's them clouds talking about? Y'all didn't even say nothing about no clouds. Green and red. Ugh, I hate it. When they don't match up, oh, that's a pre-market pancake. If you took that, TP2 got hit. Shh. Beautiful. Looking for that push up off of the 12-hour range. Maybe we can get some continuation up. Like we said, I mean, we are above VWAP. We could go higher. R1. R1 is 25,322. Let's see what happens. So when we're caught in between, right? Or when we got B set up for the buy. B set up for the sell. Fridays sometimes be messing with us. So whatever it is, risk proper. Look for a breakout to the top. Shooting for overnight high will be the protection line. It's what it seems like. I don't know. We get continuation down, a breakout down. The GAN line will be the continue. Oh, Lord. We got a long way to wait. 40 seconds left. Then this candle gives us a breakout down. And then we would be breaching into the no trade zone. Maybe we could go lower. Closing hour range would be the protection line. 580. Oh, beautiful rejection there. Right at the last little bit. Turned into a nice little wick. Taking it one candle at a time. No impulsive moves. Take it slow, people. It's worth going slow. All right. Just talking about. Oh boy. Oh, I like it for the sweepers. All right, I'm jumping into this momentum up. That's a breakout up. We're going to try that breakout. Are y'all ready? TP3 already got hit. Okay. So overnight high will be our protection line. That's the next target, 770 on TradingView. But don't give up on us now. I'm in on one. Only because... Why? B setup. It's a B setup. So I'm in on one. I wish I was in on more. That's a lot of volume. And I jumped into the volume. It was a little oh, that's a 2-minute candle. What am I doing? Anyway, it was a sweeper. Hey, I took a sweeper. Come on, man. We're in the money. All right, overnight high gets taken. I'm at break even. Boom. I'm break even. Let it run. Hold the buy. Here, we'll just watch this screen right here. Didn't give me my alert, but I saw it. Look it. Dang, it didn't give me the alert, but I saw it. Okay, Rocket Prince. There's TP1. Come on, guys. Congratulations if you're in the buy with me. Hold the buy. What are we targeting? Previous day high. Let's go. I will say there's a late alert. TP5 on this rocket is the top of this 15-minute cloud. 840. Man, if we make it up to 840, that's gonna be all right. I'm just gonna let this one run. We'll see how high it wants to go. There's opening hour range. No, closing hour range. Opening hour range, my bad. Opening hour range sitting up here, and we have a beautiful 786. We'll see if the stop loss holds up. Looks like we're getting a little bit of reaction here. Let's see. Let's see if we can stick around in this trade. Pretty decent gap there at 832. We could tap into that and be knocked out in profit. Maybe. We'll look for another opportunity if we do. We'll see what happens. Risk proper, people. We are on the buy side of the bands. See, this is why I turn off the bands. Huh? It's Friday. Post a rally. Let's see if the buyers actually want to take this. Higher, higher, higher. Y'all ready? Let's see if we can break the high. I'm looking to break the high. Let's see if we can break that high. We already took out overnight high. Typically, we get a reaction off that overnight high. Also looking at previous day high and low fib levels, right? So we were hanging out at the midpoint of yesterday for a minute. Now we're at this higher fib level where the overnight high is. If buyers want to take this higher, I'm gonna look for previous day high. 25.060 previous day high. We'll see what happens. Looks like I'm gonna get knocked out in profit. Well, sometimes it'd be like that. It's okay. We'll look for another opportunity. If it does knock me out. Little selling pressure right there. Who's taking the gap play? Who does the gap plays? Ooh, it edged. Look at that. Edged. Oh, with a beautiful wick to the bottom. 30 seconds left. If this candle flips green, I might have to add to this bug. Somebody say don't do it. Somebody say don't do it. Somebody say do it. Dang, I got 3 do it's. Somebody said don't do it. They reneged. I'm gonna do it. If this candle flips green, we're gonna go add. I'm gonna add 1. So I'll be on 2. Oh, flipping green. Oh, this looks ugly. Said I was gonna do it. Bam. I'm protected. Let's see if it holds up. Don't know. Just risk proper, right? It's the name of the game. Didn't say I can't scalp. Take one off. Protect at the new entry. Ooh, come on. Run up, run up, run up. All right, I'm out. I'm flat. So adding to that deal made me, let's see, looking for a breakout. Looking for a breakout above. Any news today? Did y'all see any news? No, huh? No news. All right. Let's tap into this 832 gap. Maybe we go up. Maybe we can tap into. I'm flat on the buy, by the way. Maybe we could hit. What is it? That 1 minute cloud. Looking for a 15 minute bandit breakout, maybe. Red folder at 9. Uh-oh. Y'all better watch out. All right, looks like we're breaking the highs. Looks like a breakout. We got a minute to go. We can go with the continuation. Keep the stop loss low, man. Keep the stop loss low. Or tight. Let's see what happens. Got 40 seconds left. Beautiful breakout to the top. See if buyers actually want to take this higher. I'm in on 1 MNQ. It's kind of like a candle hasn't printed yet kind of thing. It could turn into a wick. Could be ugly. Looks like 88 points stop right there. We'll see what happens. Buyers, y'all want to go higher? Let's see. What's the protection line going to be? R1. 820. 820 on Trading View. Protect line. PPL. Protect. Take partials. Leave a runner. Oh, beautiful push up. Broke the high. There's a 5 minute breakout bandit. So we're going to get into that. If you take the stop loss to the low, that's a bit more than I want to risk. That's 184 points. I think I'm just going to do the 88. 88 points is going to be the low of 836. Now, honestly, this probably has about a 60% chance of not going in our favor at the moment. We'll see what buyers want to do. Why? Because we did touch R1. We did touch R1. We also have weekly VWAP sitting up there. Shh. All right, Friday. Y'all want to rally yet or no? What you want to do? Pretty much just risking our 2 buys profits. Oh boy. We'll see what happens. Looking for not R1. We're looking for TP1 on the 5 minute bandit. Let's see what happens. So beautiful 786 sitting here too. We'll see if buyers want to take this higher. Either way, it's going to be a good day. Man, it's already a good day. Golly. Thankful we got some traders in the cave with us. Thankful we got some traders on Zoom with us. And I'm thankful we got some traders on YouTube. Did you share it? Hey, do me a favor and jump in there and share this. YouTube. We're just trading live. Edit. Copy link. I don't know where to go. Oh, I need my phone to do it. Beautiful push up there off of the 5 minute high. We got about 4 minutes till the 15 minute range prints. Purple range. Let's see if we can get a candle close above R1. 3, 2, 1. A candle closes above R1. Positive expectancy is going a little higher for this to work out. It looks like we may be catching a resistance level here. Somebody tell me something. What do you see? Well, besides R1, godly, that's the resistance level right there. I guess you just let. Who's in the buy? Who's still holding the buy? Anybody? Stopped out on the buy. In profit. Me too. Yep. But I added, so it moved the entry up a little. It's all right. Look like sellers are stepping in right here, which is to be expected. That's gonna be 88 point stop loss, still holding up. Let's see what happens. Could be ugly. Could be ugly. Holding the runner, Soraya says. Watch out. Let's see how. I was anticipating. I don't like it. I'm not gonna get out too early though. I was anticipating this thing coming to reach down here to the 832 candle, that little 1 minute gap maybe. It tapped into it right there at 836 and then shoots up now, maybe retest that 836 low. We get out of we break the 836 low. Yeah, stop loss is gonna be hit on this buy. 5 minute breakout. Now, if we decide we want to move this, and I don't recommend it, but 200 point stop loss. Do we? Typically, that's what we do. Minimize the loss. Sometimes you got to think about stuff. It is usually automatic. 50 point stop, 50 point take profit. But in this case, 88 points was the low. 836. And then, what is it? 100? 200 points to the bottom of the purple range. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. All I know is I don't know. Rejected that R1 pretty much to the decimal. Let's see where this 5 minute candle closes. I mean, we are in a beautiful red cloud. Whatever you do, risk proper, people. It's the name of the game. Proper. We'll copy this link. Where am I going? Facebook. I don't ever post to Facebook. Bam. Bam. All right. Posted that. Hey, beautiful push up. See what happens when you don't look at the chart? Things go in your favor. How you feeling? There's a lot of quiet people in the trade room. Typically, trade floors are loud. The trading floors are loud. Welcome to the trade cave. Got Zeke, we got Raul, and Caden in the trade cave. Trying to see if this thing wants to go hit my 786. If it does, that's gonna be a great protection line. Let's see if we get that 5 minute TP1. But are you risking proper? Raul, talk to me. No entry right now, flat. That's good. That's a good position to be in. I was listening to the Jesse Liver. What's his name? Jesse Livermore. One of the best positions he ever took in life was waiting. Waiting position is a good position. Broke the high. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Take me up. I got one running. Soraya got one running, I think, still, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, I love it. I love the 5 minute break above resistance. The last 5 minute candle broke above resistance. I'm looking to see if it wants to tap into my 786 so I can protect this trade. I'm actually pretty, oh, see, here I go. I was about to say, I'm actually pretty good with my P&L right now. It is Friday, and I said the top of the 15-minute cloud, right? Oh boy, here we go. I'm starting to bargain with my own self. 8 seconds left. A 1 minute candle closes above R1. Bro, are you gonna be able to get up there, little Nazi? Don't give up on us now. Trying to see 15-minute bandit breakout. Let's go. Adding 15-minute bandit breakout. I need to see this follow through. I added a little bit more than I wanted to. That was 3. Why did that say 3? Okay. Beautiful. Adding one more. Looking for that 786 to get tapped. We start to see a little bit more seller pressure. I'll take one off. Looking to see if it wants this 846 on top step. It is the 842 low. We start to break that low. I may take one off. I'm in on 2. 15-minute bandit. Sometimes that bandit works out, but we are getting close to news. Stop loss is 113. Good Lord. Let's see if we can get a spike up. Got less than 3 minutes till a 5-minute candle closes. I'm looking for at least one consolidation phase. Still haven't seen one yet. You know what we haven't looked at in a minute? Where are we at? 24,800? 24,800. Those beautiful hot zones and bank zones. Let's see. Hot zone, I want orange. Bank zone, I want white. Let's go. Oh yeah, we tapped into a beautiful bank zone. Man, we get a candle close above that bank zone. Let's go. Next hot zone. Looking for 24,874, 875. That would be amazing. Could this be the consolidation phase we was talking about? Maybe. We'll wait and see. We shall see, people. The name of the game is Risk Proper. If you're just starting, if you're just joining us, what are y'all doing? We're just risking proper. How do you day trade? You risk proper. Right? Just risk proper. It's the name of the game. It's what keeps you in the game. And then we wait and let price do what price wants to do. Looking for that spike up, man. If we can get TP1 on there, that'd be great. TP1 on the 5-minute breakout. Protect this trade, take partials, leave a runner. I'm ready. Ready. Let's see, TP1. Let's see, broke the high? That's what I'm talking about. I mean, it's barely reached up there. Let's see if we can get some continuation. It's breaking highs. Let's see if it wants to continue to break these highs. 4-minute candle closes. Tapped into that bank zone one more time. I want to see if we can get a candle close above that 850 on TradingView. 24,850. 30 seconds left. We'll see what happens. 20 seconds left. It's having trouble right there at that 850 mark. If we can get a candle break above that and close. Oh, beautiful. Spike down. Great. Never mind. 10 seconds left. Let's go. 5 seconds left. Beautiful wick to the bottom, showing signs of weakness to the bottom. Let's see what happens. Bulls, do you want to take it higher? Here's your opportunity. Still no consolidation phase. It looks like a consolidation phase. Yeah, a couple of sweepers already been printed, right? 834, 846. What is it? I'm waiting. There you go. Mr. Sweeper over here taking sweepers on the Kano trend. Go ahead, big dog. What is that? 2 sweepers already? Or just one? Took 2? Looking for that spike up. Looking for that spike up. Looks like we're getting resistance here, though. R1 on the pivots. Looking for that yearly VWAP, too, man. That would be amazing. Just spike on up. Just spike. Sometimes you got to flick your hand at it. See if we can get a spike up, so we can hit break even. 45 seconds left. There we go. I'm taking one off right there. God, dog. Let's see if we can hit that alert. Looks like it. Oh, beautiful. Break even. Sheesh. Hold the buy. Hold the buy. TP1 hit on the 5-minute bandit. Beautiful. Sometimes those bandits work out. Looking to see TP1 on the 15-minute bandit. Let's go. 786 gets hit. So we could get a reaction here. We could get a harsh reaction here. Look for that 15-minute bandit to get hit. 15-minute breakout bandit. TP1. 15-minute breakout bandit. TP1. If you're on Zoom, if you're on YouTube, I sure appreciate y'all hanging out. If you have any questions, drop them on the line. If you're interested in what tools we're using, man, this is a whole suite of tools. We call them the bullseye strategy tools. We got bullseye targets, bullseye previous day high and low. You can find that one in your indicators right now. Bullseye previous day high and low. Very interesting tool there. Something that we found early on was previous day high and low definitely held the liquidity. Hey, did y'all catch that? It came right here and tapped that trendy and shoot. I just barely saw that. Man, 832. Come on. Previous day high and low. Looking for previous day high to get hit. Take out that liquidity. That would be great. Hold the buy. Previous day high and low is great. The clouds are great. We got green clouds from pre-market into a higher time frame bullish trend. And we just broke above that bearish trend. Sorry. We just broke above that bearish trend. So we can see this thing retrace. Yeah. Could get knocked out here in profit. Let's see if the stop loss holds up in profit. It is the, what is that? 845 entry candle. That's the entry candle. So I am flat on the sell. Lock it in. I may be locked out. Oh, I like where I'm at. Oh, I don't want to have to figure out if I'm gonna get in again. For what, right? Click sell. Let's go. No, don't do that. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Oh boy. Beautiful wick to the bottom. You know what? I'm anticipating. Yeah, look at that reaction. Wow. Right on the yearly VWAP. Look at that. To the decimal. 25 seconds left. 5 neath resistance. I am tempted. I can't even lie. I want to click sell. 786 resistance. Sell side of the bands. This is a definitely retracement type of thing. Don't get caught. Don't get caught in no faker move. But I was going to say, I'm thinking maybe 9 o'clock is the catalyst. 9 o'clock gives us the catalyst. We can see this retracement, and then 9 o'clock comes, and then we see this thing push into the 832 candle to shoot up. What y'all think? That's just an idea. Flat on the buys. P&L's, I mean, pretty decent. We're traders. We trade. It's Friday. Yeah, 5-minute candle closes beneath R1. Man, that would have been my entry. All right. Caden takes the sale. That's what I'm saying, brother. And it goes for the TP. That's a beautiful, I would say counter trend. Why? Why would I say that's counter trend when we've been seeing this bullish run? Because we broke that trend line up. So we broke this trend line, the downward trend that we were seeing pretty much all week, right? From Tuesday high. Tuesday's high, bearish, bearish, bearish. Overnight, we see price break that trend. And then at the market open comes to retest that trend line. Beautiful caterpillar, man. That's the third touch. Boom. Now, if we break below that, oh, I want to click sell. So if you're in a sell, I mean, there's a reason for both sides, right? There's always a reason. There's always a million different reasons for you to plead your case before the trading court. But either way you do it. Just risk proper, people. Stay off of NQ. God, dog. If you haven't noticed by now, you always blow accounts because you're trading NQ. There's a breaker down. I'm gonna have to ignore it. I'm ignoring it. I'm ignoring all the sell signals now. See, look at that. I'll take a pancake. Let's see. Oh, I missed the pancake. No, I won't take a pancake. I won't take nothing. I'm not selling today. All right. Well, anyway, congratulations if you took the 2 buys. Congratulations if you hopped in on a pullback. Stop loss still valid. That trade is still valid. It's a beautiful thing about trading. I mean, it's the wind blows in all directions. Just got to be able to time the market properly. Just time the market properly. That's why I don't like looking at all them sweepers. I can't look at them. They're too enticing. I need to add something to it, you know, like volume or something. It needs to be more volume or something. I don't know. Still sitting above the 12-hour range. Still sitting above VWAP. I mean, this thing could tank. You said there was news at 9, so I'm gonna go look at news. And then I'm gonna walk away for a minute. All right, so we got about a minute till red folder news. If you're not in a position, I would highly suggest, just watch the fireworks. Go to a demo. Just chill. That 786 was amazing though. Look at that. Shoo, all the way. Potentially touching the 1 minute cloud. Back at entry for the pancake, so not too bad. Oh, broke that. Yeah, broke that green candle low. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute till news. Are you enjoying your Friday so far? I am. Did you get plenty of rest last night? I almost canceled because I woke up at 2 again. I was like, all right, this becomes a thing. Waking up at 2, it's just trying to get me off of my routine. I'm gonna have to. We got to figure something else out. You dig? 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left till news. Hands off the trigger. Sit on your hands. Watch newsprint. It could do anything. If you're not currently in a position, I would consider just hanging out. If you are in a position, stop loss and profit. Or stop loss still valid. The trade's still valid. Watch what happens. 8 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. All right, looking at news. Oh, beautiful push down. TP1 on the pancake gets hit. Congratulations. Still hasn't printed the news yet. What's going on with the news? Still waiting. Okay, so previous was 56. Michigan consumer sentiment and price. It is better than expected. I'm looking for this thing to rip up. I'm looking for it to rip up. Let's see. Let's see if Friday rallies. And take note about Michigan consumer sentiment. See how it's not as volatile as most red folder news. Doesn't have that firework that we want to see, the volatility. You did. We'll see what happens. Looks like prices reaching down there to the 832 gap. Maybe we take more time. Looking for the 720. I'm sorry. 836 low. We tapped that 836 low, man. That might be our buy signal. Don't know. I don't know yet. I mean, we are still sitting at 4 hour support levels. 4 hour S2. So I would imagine that buyers may want to take this little thing higher. We don't know yet. Oh, beautiful sell situation, though, if you held that pancake. Back to the purple range we go. Let's see. I want to mark up the high and low of purple range. TP3 got hit on the pancake. You took that? Oh, word up, brother. Mr. Zeke, done for the day. Lock it down, lock it up, lock it in. That's all you got to do. Now, hardest part of your day is what? What are you going to do the rest of the day? I tried to tell you a long time ago. Hardest part of your day is figuring out what you're going to do the rest of your day. You better have a plan, better have a purpose, better have an idea. All right, we're tapping into the midpoint of purple range. Now, if we see a 5-minute candle close inside the no trade zone, oh boy, it's good look for the sellers. Let's see, 902. We'll see what happens on Friday. Man, this could be ugly. Could be an ugly sell-off. It could be an ugly sell-off. Could be continuation from the rest of the week. Don't know. That was a beautiful push off of this little trendy. We could retest that trendy. Bounce up. Don't know. If you're in a sell, man, congratulations. Wow. What? Sometimes the sweepers are right, dude. Take it one trade at a time, one candle at a time, one day at a time, 1 week at a time. One win at a time, one loss at a time. Hey, one account at a time. Have you ever blown multiple accounts at the same time? I have. Huh? Oh yeah, it feels terrible. Well, you just take it one account at a time. Looking for that market low to get swept. If we sweep that low, man, that's gonna be interesting. Raul, what you looking for, brother? You looking for anything in particular? Gotcha. So I'm looking at this 1 minute gap. We tapped the midpoint of that gap. Look, we could fill the whole gap. We could fill the whole gap. Very interesting, right? 200 points up, 200 points down. That's the volatility I'm talking about. That NAS. If the 5 minute, oh, you talking another language now, brother. I don't know what that means. Yeah. You mean for the sell side? We could see it melt. Well, on a Friday? Not on a Friday, bro. Top of the 12-hour range. Oh, who wants to click buy? Shanna does. I know Shanna does. There's a sweeper. Oh boy. It is tempting. All right, so here's what I also pay attention to, man. When these clouds start to converge like this, pay attention. When clouds start to converge, man. Let's see. Can I turn them off? I don't need the buy signals. Okay. When clouds start to converge, watch the 1 minute cloud reaches up to the 15, right? We're inside of this, man. Lightning bolts and thunder. Sweeper up. You see the sweeper up? I'm with that. I'm a little late, but we'll see what happens. I wish I heard you sooner. Oh, no bueno. Just rejecting like a mug. So you said the 5 minute inverse, right? I don't know what that means. Mm-hmm. 930 gap. A 930? You mean 830? Okay. 830, and then so we get below that, it's a seller situation, right? Looks like it could be. All right, let's see what happens. SMT. What does that stand for? Smart money tool. Gotcha. All right, we breaching inside the no trade zone. I'm seeing if this thing wants to close inside here. Targeting this VWAP. We shall see. Oh man. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Buyers and sellers are going crazy, boy. Sheesh. All right. We filled that gap. So does a 5-minute candle have to close below that inverse? Close below. And then is that a reason for entry, brother? Gotcha. All right, we're breaking outside that no trade zone again. It could get ugly. Could be a little whipsaw all the way down. Zoom, how you feeling over there? Everybody good? Talk to me, chat. What y'all got? Oh, y'all been in here. I just ain't seen it. Wait a minute, I got a break even on the runner. Gotcha. All right. A little break even on the runner. Sweet. Yeah, I mean 200 points up, almost 200 points down on the Friday. That's the kind of volatility I like, though. I ignored the sales, though. I can't lie. I didn't take the signals that I wanted to take for the sales. It's just when the clouds get like this, man, thunder, lightning and thunder. You dig? Don't want to be in it. Don't want to be around it. But anything can happen. Anything can happen. All right, 45 seconds till a 5-minute candle closes. Kind of want to jump into the buys, but we are patiently waiting. As long as we're in the whipsaw. First 15-minute range, terrible. If you don't want to get caught no chop, stay out that purple range, bro. You're going to come out covered in purple. You're going to bleed purple today if you ain't careful. I am actually content with the P&L. I think, let's see. We got a few more. We can go. I think it's Friday. Y'all get me all excited, man. I don't know. Do we risk today's profits? Just risk all the profits on the buys? Let's go. Tell me. Risking the profits on the buys or not? Who's with me? Y'all over there whispering. Come on, trade floor. What's up, trade floor? Oh, word up. Caden, you green for the day? He said, yeah. A green day is a great day. A red day is a grow day. Either way, it's going to be a good day. Ooh, that's a shirt right there. I'm flowing today, y'all. You're on the, what? You said you hit the what? Minimum what?
My goal was 500.
Your minimum what? Target?
Yeah.
Your minimum target. Oh, you're done. Bro, take that. Be happy. Hey, you know what? Yeah, don't stare at it. You're done. Ah, boy, see, look. Who wanted to hit the buy with me right there? All right. There's a breaker up. I don't want to get caught in the purple range. Because what happens, right? You take the buy, you might get to the top, and then she just like that sometimes. You never know. Let's see what happens. Buyers look like they're stepping in one more time. Let's see what happens. 18 seconds left. We get a beautiful breaker. I like it because we bounce off of the deviation band of the top deviation band of VWAP. But you never know. I mean, it's one of them things. No breaker up. No breaker yet. Man, a pancake here almost TP6. So amazing. What I like about it is this room is not, and I'm pretty sure the Zoom is the same way. at all. This dude over here catching $500 and he just, I guess I'm done. Guess I'm gonna be done, guys. Dude, that's a sign of a good trader. No emotions on the sell side or the buy side or the winning side or the L side. Green side or the red side. What I love is just learning the process. Learn the process, master the emotions. How do you master emotions? Somebody say it on the Zoom. Talk to me, YouTube. How do you master emotions? What does that mean? How do you control them? Master, like, uh-oh, somebody filled it. What does that mean, Raul? What does that mean, order filled? Is that a sale? Ooh. How do you master emotions? You risk small. You risk small. That's it. Soraya, I saw you. I heard you. Risk proper, people. I'm going to scream it till the whole world hears it. Till the whole world knows. That's what I'm going to sing. Risk proper, people. Give me a guitar. I'm going to sing it with a guitar like a country guy. I like to sell. For what? That has to break the low, right? Has to break the low. We're traders. We trade. Anything can happen. I mean, we're at the bottom of that gap, right? The bottom of that 832 gap. We were thinking it wants to fill that gap. All right, less than 20 seconds left. Let's see if we can tap into the bottom of the purple range. Potentially tapping into a V would be an amazing sell. Oh boy. 24,555 on TradingView. 24,555 pivot point. See if we get that continuation down. We shall see. See if we can break this low. Let's see if we can break the 907 low. Looking to see it. Looking to see if we can do it. If it does that, man, that's going to be pretty decent protection line for me as well. I'm with you, Ro. My stop loss is tight, though. 33 points. I know. Risk small. We're traders. We're traders. We trade. Keep it fun. This is for entertainment purposes only. If I lose, you owe me $30. No, I'm playing. All right, 10 seconds left. Well, what is the stop loss, though, for real? Is it the high? 911. I like that. I'll do that. Going for market low? 832 low? Break even. Okay. All right. Stop loss and profit. $5. Let's go $5. All right, y'all. I'm gonna walk away for a second. Man, this is what I'm talking about. Friday, catching some trades. Keeping it honest. All right, I'm out. I'm flat. I got that $5. Let's go. About to go get me a Happy Meal. Raul's out at break even as well. Congratulations, brother. I mean, okay, it's a cool. Yeah, that was a cool. It was cool. I liked it. I liked it. You know, a couple of reasons why I can see, you know, where price could potentially find support right here. Man, I do like to buy. I do like to buy. But we're gonna be patient. We're in the first 15-minute range, and it's already 9:17. Still in the first 15-minute range. That's 200-point range to the top, right? I'm in the sweeper because you said it. Oh, it's a scalp for me. Yeah. It's a scalp for me. Okay, definitely content with the, oh, here we go. It's the best part of the day. And the fastest trader in the West, Mr. John Vince, we are locking out. Lock me out, George. Who the heck is George? That's like, beat me up, Scotty. Lock me out, George. I'm locked out. Super content with the price action. I mean, there were days I would blow the account on this, bro. I promise you, I'm clicking buy at the top, and then I'm clicking, I'm clicking sell at the bottom, and shoot, risking too much. Yeah, locked out. If you're watching on YouTube, man, I sure appreciate you hanging out with us. If you have any questions, man, let us know. We want to get you involved. If you want to know how to, if you want to know how to learn more about the bullseye strategy, hit me up. I'll be around. I'll answer questions. Leave a comment. Rude remarks, insults, congratulations, whatever you want to say. It's all good. Hey, if you know somebody who wants to learn trading too, send them this link. I think between 4 of us in the room, 4 of us on Zoom, there's a pretty decent P&L sitting around over here. So come hang out with the cool kids, you need. All right, YouTube, I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. And we'll still stay on with Zoom.